Imagine a car that surpasses the expectations of tomorrow, today. That's the 2025 Toyota Camry for you. Pioneering the way with its sleek, futuristic design, the Camry is a beacon of innovation, sure to captivate enthusiasts. It seamlessly blends tradition with progress, creating an experience that's both familiar yet forward-thinking. The 2025 Toyota Camry is not just a car, it's a symbol of innovation and the future. The heart of the 2025 Toyota Camry is its engine, a masterpiece of engineering. It's a marvel for those who crave a little extra oomph. But it's not just about power. The Camry offers exceptional fuel efficiency. With an impressive 32 miles per gallon in the city and 41 on the highway, it's a car that respects both your wallet and the environment. And let's talk about the ride. Smooth, responsive, with a handling that's as agile as a cat, the Camry delivers a drive highway. The Camry performs with grace and power. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or a fuel economy advocate, the 2025 Toyota Camry has got you covered. Step inside the 2025 Toyota Camry, and you're stepping into a world where luxury meets state-of-the-art technology. The moment you settle in, you're greeted by plush, leather seats that almost seem to mold to your body, providing an unparalleled level of comfort. The heated and ventilated seats offer a touch of decadence, ensuring that you're at ease no matter the weather outside. But comfort in the Camry is not just about seating. It's about an environment that's built around you. The dual-zone automatic climate control ensures that you and your passenger can both enjoy your ideal temperatures, while the ambient lighting sets a mood that's just right for you. Now let's talk technology. The Camry boasts a dynamic infotainment system complete with a 9-inch touchscreen. It's like having a wireless charging for your devices. The 10-speaker JBL audio system delivers crisp, clear sound, transforming your Camry into a concert hall on wheels. And then there's the heads-up display, a feature that projects vital information onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road while ensuring you're well-informed. From your speed to navigation directions, it's all right there in your line of sight. The 2025 Toyota you in harm's way. With the 2025 Toyota Camry, safety is not just a feature, it's a promise. The 2025 Toyota Camry is a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation, performance, and safety. This is a car that has truly been worth the wait. It's a fusion of power and performance, a blend of roaring engines and whisper-quiet electric motors. It's a car that's not afraid to push the boundaries, to redefine what a sedan can be. It's an embodiment of comfort and technology, a seamless integration of luxurious materials and cutting-edge tech. It's a car that understands you, that adapts to your needs, and that makes every journey a joy. But above all else, the 2025 Toyota Camry is a car that ensures your peace of mind. It's a car that doesn't compromise on safety, that doesn't rest until you're safe. It's a car that's been engineered with you in mind, that's been designed to protect you and your loved ones. The 2025 Toyota Camry is not just a car, it's a future on 4 wheels.
For more videos, subscribe to Road Tory.